of Splash Mountain existing in Disney World. And I always wanted to see what is it like here in Magic Kingdom when a ride closes, or any Disney park. Do people go crazy? Are the lines nuts? Are signage missing already? Do things break down? I mean, what happens when a ride leaves forever from the Disney World or any Disney park? And we're going to show you what it's like, as well as the excitement of the ride. And my favorite time of day is sunset to ride Splash Mountain. And we're going to ride it multiple times. I'm Maria with LBB TV, where there is never a dull moment. Make sure to subscribe here on our vlogs channel. We also have a live stream channel with 23,000. Make sure to click here and there for always a good time. I got Chris with me riding it. He's 6'5". That's why you don't see his head. There you go. He's tall. He already rode it.
I did.
Did you get really wet?
Sat in the front, got really wet.
Amazing. I'm about to ride it for my first time today because it was actually broken. That's right, the ride for 2 days now, right Chris, has been down. So I was nervous that we weren't going to get to ride the ride. What happens if all of a sudden the ride totally closes down? We thought I was going to close and that we wouldn't get to ride this, but
It's satisfactory.
it's satisfaction. It's true.
Actually.
Zippity doo dah. So the crowds are pretty crazy. You can still buy Lightning Lane though,
Yes,
which is
you can.
awesome. Let's go. But it is at currently a 90-minute wait, which I think is not that bad. I love the ride queue, and of course this famous sign. How cool! Now, I love that you're going through their world when you come in the queue. And like I said, definitely use the Lightning Lane if you can get one. Honestly, for the last days, I think the time is going to get worse than 90 minutes. Are you guys excited to ride Splash Mountain? Let me know in the comments, would you fly across country to ride Splash Mountain? We actually met somebody that flew from England just for the day to do this. It's broken down a few times today while we're even in the queue. Chris behind me was telling me that the regular line, which he was just in, goes super slow comparatively. Of course the Lightning Lane, but like we're talking eons of extra wait. So if you can afford it, for this last kind of hurrah, definitely, hey, bite the bullet, go for it. Would you, let me know, would you buy a Lightning Pass just to do this? A lot of animatronics aren't working.
Keep up with the person in front of you at all times. Filling in all available.
But the queue's working. All the fun little tidbits. Stow your stuff at your feet. Oh, it looks like the country bear is turned into country rabbits. Look at this beautiful squirrel. Is there a squirrel?
It's an otter.
And then here it says, some critters ain't never gonna learn. And I see it's hand woven. You can't run away from trouble. Ain't no place that far. So again, all this stuff's gonna get replaced and redone. I'm excited to see Tiana's Bayou. I bet they're going to put relics from the ride in here for Tiana as well.
It'll probably be a scavenger hunt.
Like a hidden gem. You're ready? And then sometimes these ride memorabilia items will go to Imagineers or they'll go into a vault. But sometimes you might see stuff for sale in antique shows and malls. And of course, I love the adorable little, how do you get in this? 2 or 3 folks pull down your lap bar. I love the cute little bunnies. Oh, they even have this little picnic holder. Oh, look, we should put a little picnic stick. That's what I'm gonna call it. Let me know in the comments what it's really called. I'm gonna call it picnic stick. Oh, it's a raccoon. Oh, that's cute. That's the cutest ride information I've ever seen. Look, last chance, and of course this famous area where we all load in. But again, it's just going to be New Orleans when we come back. I'm excited to see what they come up with. And we may get wet. Chris already got wet from his last ride. And we're saying goodbye. And it's going to look different. Basically the same bones. So in the front, of course, is a rabbit. I bet you it'll be a frog when we come back. I bet you it'll be a frog. Let me know in the comments. Do you think it's going to be a frog? Remain seated at all times. Oh, I know. See, I say he is. Now this pretty. So we're also going to post a video of this ride where I have no commentary. You'll get to enjoy this without my voice. Oh, and of course the famous Splash Mountain hill. It's not the big one yet. It's not the big one yet. I got soaked. Oh, the ride hasn't even started. Critter Elixir. When we come back, it's going to be some sort of beignet stand. Ooh, what do you think they're going to put there, Chris?
Coffee beans.
Rare soap. I never noticed that.
The laughing place.
Oh, look, the moonshine.
Let's grab the moonshine.
And again, I love the view from here with Cinderella's castle. And of course, that's not going to change. So again, the bones, the structure, it's all going to be here. Look at that view. You can even see the parade down below. Oh, rare bear. Some footprints. I wonder if the Shadow Man will be in there down the road. And I think it's going to be fun. We'll probably get some jazz music or Zydeco. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! The camera!
Oh my goodness. That water is cold.
Oh yeah. You know, they already have all the frogs in place. I'm just saying.
That's going to be an easy transition.
The easiest transition ever.
The bayou, they're already here.
I never realized how many there were of these frogs.
Pretty good, show us your bone. Pretty good, show us your bone. The weather is good, fishing is fine. Oh, what do we do with all the time? That's what you do. Time to be moving along. Time to be moving along.
Let me know, who's your favorite secondary character on this ride? I love this little bunny.
There goes Brer Rabbit, being chased by Brer Fox and Brer Bear, as usual.
So cute, the baby bunny. Catch Rabbit. Oh, they got all the carrots.
Look yonder, there goes Brer Rabbit.
Oh, look. It is, what's her name?
Where is this secret lesson in place Brer Rabbit's talking about? Check it out, too.
Come on, it is all I bring, and you'll find yourself no home. Now here's how you stay rising.
Porcupine.
Here we go.
Rare beaver.
fountains aren't on. No, they used to have a spitting fountain.
Oh, Brewster Ashton just said there used to be spitting fountains and flowers. Oh, look, oh, there's those little guys. But this stuff isn't working. Oh, it's so cute. Sweet, so some parts of the ride aren't.
What are you doing, man? Let's go!
Oh, this is the scary part, right, Chris? Oh, Chris, that's my cue to hand this to you.
Laughing place. We've got
Is this the big drop?
The camera's gonna get wet.
Is this the big drop, Chris?
This is the big drop.
So fun fact, I did Splash Mountain for the first time this year. And this will be like my 4th time ever. I'm nervous.
The camera's gonna drop.
Oh no. And then how beautiful is sunset. Oh my god, here's a turn of me. I'm scared. Oh my god, I lost an eyelash. That's a fake eyelash. That's, yeah. Oh my god, there's more. Oh my god, there's more. There's more. Oh my god, weird friends. The prime definitely is so soon. Oh, it's pizza.
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yeah. I'm so glad to be here and he's here to stay. Zippity-doo-dah.
Oh my goodness. I think Chris is doing a rock and roller coaster sign of something like that. I'm glad that that's my last memory of Splash Mountain. Me terrified. So of course we have to go to the gift shop because what if they have some memorabilia? Some Splash Mountain stuff. So let's see what they got here. And if there's any last relics of the ride in here. So we just found Chris and he is in line to get the pennies. All the characters, look guys. Of course there's Mickey, the Bluebird, Blair Fox, the whole gang. Guys, look at how they press the pennies. Now we're getting the pennies. And it's only $5 for all 8. How fun, you can get in different languages. I've actually never done this before. This is my first time doing this. Oh, I'm pressing your pennies now. Get one for all your friends and family, that's what we're doing. Oh, how fun. I see the imprint stamp right there. And here going clink, clink. This is really neat. All right, you can see them way better in the daylight out here. Check out all the characters from the Bluebird and more. This is so neat. I'm glad we were able to get these. Again, it's a nice way to have a Disney collectible for a really, really good cost. Look at that. Chris, have you been mining for gold?
Copper.
Copper. Well, I got soaked and I had nice hair when I got in there. That's right. It was everything satisfaction.
It's all satisfaction.
I think we should go do it again. And if you want to watch a version of the ride without me talking, again, I thought it'd be fun to see our like POV, like what we thought.
POV.
Yeah, but a POV without us talking, where you just get to enjoy the ride. You're gonna have to head to LBB TV, our regular live streaming channel, for a vlog there. But it was actually really interesting to see all of the different frogs that are in there already. Also, kind of, I can imagine what they're gonna do now to make Tiana Bayou.
I'm excited to see what they keep as like a scavenger hunt. You know, that
there's gonna be like
they put Mr. Toad, you know, in Winnie the Pooh. So who are they gonna keep in the Briar Patch?
And type in the comments here to be entered to win one of our shirts, not wet. Type in the comments, what do you think they're gonna leave behind? I think all the frogs. All 5 are saying.
I think it's going to be a sign. If it's
Then
this,
we're bringing the
then
shirt
we're
back.
bringing the shirt back.
Back to Shop LVP. I'm Maria.
And I'm Chris.
And thank you for joining us. Or it is never a dull moment in the wettest places on earth. And we never say goodbye in our channel because there's always fun things to come and more to do. Just like Mickey, we only say, see you real soon.